That head tilt says, "It all for our confused helicopter fan." Oh wow, he almost made it out.
Excuse me. What do you think? CJ? No, that's my new rose bush, you daft dog. CJ, look at me. Yes, come on, out of there now. Out.
Looks like a serious business meeting about snacks. My poor puppy is sweating buckets out there. Oscar the otter takes home the Big Goldfish Bowl Award. Awa, that little brain cell, is totally showing off.
Of course, yes, I see.
She really thinks that bowl is a personal
I
spa.
see.